Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have been keeping you posted on the status of the unsealing of Idaho versus Kiohberger, which proceeded in pretrial from the 29th of December 2022 through the case's closure on July 23rd, 2025. After the media coalition filed motions in the case following change of plea seeking transparency. The first motion was to set aside gag order, which Judge Hippler did at hearing in July of 2025. But as to the media's second motion, where they raised the First Amendment and the fact that as a result of Mr. Kiohberger's change of plea, there was no concern anymore of tainting of a potential jury, that the multiple numbers of documents filed under seal should immediately be unsealed. Judge Hippler denied that motion. He announced a process. He submitted a total of 3 court orders. The first was for July and June of 2025. The second dealt with May and April of 2025. And the third, rendered in mid-October 2025, dealt with documents from January, February, and March of 2025. There has never been any further order directed toward documents from the end of 2024. Then yesterday, the 28th of May, Judge Hippler finally authorized the unsealing of multiple documents that were ordered to be unsealed. On December 18th, 2025, nearly a half year ago, from January, February, March of 2025, there appears notations on the court docket for that first quarter of 2025, indicating documents have been unsealed to the public. For example, you will now see a new sign located next to documents filed on March 24th, 2025, such as state's proposed jury questionnaire, state's response to defendant's motion to adopt voir dire procedure, objecting to the magic question, state's exhibit S as in Sam 7B, rebuttal as it relates to multiple witnesses. There are a total of 7 such exhibits that have been unsealed. And then finally, also on the 24th of March, defendant's proposed jury instruction. Further documents are unsealed dealing with some of the in limine proceedings dated March 17th, and then defendant's motion in limine regarding inconclusive data, and that is dated the 24th of February, and the stipulated agreements of the parties to not mention the 2014 cell phone incident during trial, also dated February 24th. Now you will see other assorted new signs next to other documents for February and March of 2025. The rest continue to remain under seal. And finally, what also is under seal is defense witness Brent Turvey's report that was ordered to be disclosed to the state on or before January 23rd, 2025. That is found within Judge Hippler's pretrial and trial order dated October 9th. You will see a schedule there as to when expert witness reports, curriculum vitae, aka resumes, and names were to be disclosed to each other. And you'll see the indication that on January 23rd, the defense was required to turn over reports of any guilt phase, that's case in chief witnesses, which Dr. Turvey was. He is a crime scene expert, is what the public understands. His report, which appears to have been filed January 23rd, 2025, still remains sealed to the public. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.